All right, once again, that Storm 5 alert remains in effect, and we've got to be weather aware because they're getting closer, this line of storms.
They definitely are, and we still have a tornado watch in place across the area, and this line has numerous severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings along it, so we have team coverage, and Katie is tracking the latest on that radar for us.
Yeah, and we still have that tornado watch as well, meaning the ingredients are there, but we do not currently have any active warnings. The biggest change that we actually just got in, now Perry and Wayne County, maybe you noticed that alert go out. It now includes you. For everyone highlighted in red, this was extended from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. As we've been mentioning, I know for the past couple of days, this was and is going to be a truly overnight event. There's that line that Brittany was just telling us about now, moving through portions of southern Illinois, more so into the Carbondale, SIU area, extending down to Cape Girardeau. And you can see a lot of those yellow boxes, severe thunderstorm warnings, and we've got some tornado warnings that are moving through the northern half of Arkansas, so closer to the Jonesboro area. Locally, we've got a couple of those showers and thunderstorms, as Brittany said earlier, bubbling up across the area. So more so for Kentucky right now, south of Morgantown, near Lewisburg, near Franklin, Kentucky, that is, not Franklin, Tennessee. Even a little further south across Tennessee into the Springfield, Pleasant View, and Aaron area, as well as Waverly and Dixon. This is not the main line. This is just a couple of those storms that are popping up ahead of it. So once that passes, don't think, okay, that was it. The actual line is going to arrive in the next couple of hours. From the Storm Prediction Center, I mean, quite the rainbow. We've got that moderate risk a little further to our west, so our neighbors across Illinois, portions of western Kentucky and Missouri. Here at home, we've had a little bit of everything. Everyone is highlighted, and that's the point that I really want you to know and to remember, is that we all have some sort of risk as we head into the overnight hours. Primary concern, those strong damaging winds, it could reach 60 to 70 miles per hour at times. Unfortunately, we can't rule out the risk of tornadoes, especially embedded within the line. Hail risk has gone up as well. We've been watching for that, especially for our counties that have been highlighted in that tornado watch. So the northwestern counties, that's where that higher risk continues to be. Storm timing, we're really keeping a close watch on this. It can begin truly as soon as now when we're watching that line move through, but could be as late as 2 a.m. For areas like Nashville, we're talking closer to midnight. So quickly playing this out, we can see a couple of showers ahead of the line. The actual line likely arriving by 1 a.m. for Paris, Portland, and Glasgow. This will continue and it won't exit until very early Tuesday. We get a brief break Tuesday morning, which I know sounds good, really is not. Gives the atmosphere time to recharge because, Brittany, we have another chance and another Storm 5 alert as we head into Tuesday evening.
And it's because of what we're seeing there on the screen just west of Paris. We've got another round of thunderstorms on the way, and these storms are also going to be packing a punch as they move into the region. So likely moving in closer to Nashville around 8 o'clock on Tuesday evening, and then once again racing off to the east. So by 11 o'clock, a lot of the storms are going to be east of 65 out over the plateau. Damaging winds and localized flooding are going to be the main concerns because this will be the second round of rain that we're going to have in about 24 to 48 hours. But by Wednesday morning at 7 a.m., we're already starting to see our skies drying out a bit. We'll have just an isolated shower in the area, still some cloudy conditions, but we're not expecting the storms to stick around past sunrise on Wednesday. But we once again have that level 2 slight risk throughout all of the mid-state and southern Kentucky as we head into your Tuesday evening. So it's going to be noisy tonight, and then tomorrow evening it could impact some of you on that evening drive. The good news is we are going to get some very beneficial rain from this. Could pick up 1 inch to 1.5 inches just from this first round of rain that we're looking at through this evening. And then here comes that second round tomorrow evening, and look at that. Some spots 2 to 4 inches of rain. So that's where we could get some of that localized flooding. If you have a part in your neighborhood or maybe on your morning drive that typically floods, use some extra caution as these storms are moving through tomorrow. So tonight we're going to have those temperatures down into the mid-60s. We will see very stormy conditions through about 3 a.m. and then we're going to start to dry out the closer we get to sunrise on Tuesday morning, and temperatures will be similar to today. We'll have the afternoon sunshine. We're in the mid-70s around 11 a.m. We get that high around 81 degrees, and then we're going to finish off your Tuesday with those stormy conditions across the area. So tonight is a great night to remember that weather call. You can scan that QR code there and you will get those updates as those warnings are issued for your area. And also a good reminder as we are getting more severe weather across the area of safe places. If you need to find a safe location, you can head to our website and you click on that drop-down menu where it says select your county there, and it will give you options of places where you can go to ride out any of the storms. But our 7-day forecast showing cooler air returning to the region on Thursday and Friday. Highs are going to be back in the 60s even into the start of the weekend. And then next week we are back into those 70s. But tonight, definitely make sure you have that do not disturb turned off on your phone.